Got two hands.
Boy, Tyler, throw them out of there. Throw them out of there. See what's in there.
Is there something in here?
That's right.
There's
Oh,
something
more
in here, Jake?
paper?
Whoa. Wow. Oh.
Ooh. Who's that guy, Tyler?
Give it a hug, Tyler.
It's Big Bird!
Come here. Give it a hug. Give it a hug. Give it a
It's
hug.
Big Bird!
Now that one's got the
Yeah, that's Big Bird!
soft.
That is.
So soft. Ooh.
Give him a hug.
Not everything's electronic, buddy.
No,
Oh, yeah?
he was looking at the tag.
Oh, soft. Oh.
Does he feel good, Tyler?
Oh.
Hug him.
Can you give him a kiss or a hug?
Let me
Big bird.
Let me feel him. Ooh, I like him a lot.
Who's that, Grandma and Grandpa?
Another bird.
There's all kinds of birds. Big bird and
Here.
boy, your daddy was into Big Bird when he was a little geek.
Tell Grandma and Grandpa thank you.
I understand Brett was into Cookie Monster when he was a little guy.
What? I had a big
He
bird.
had a big bird that he carried around like this,
Yeah.
and he just we bought him a new one, and
It wasn't the right one.
the old one just broke in.
I don't remember that.
That is cute. Daddy wants one.
Ooh, you can go to sleep,
Sometimes I'll take a
Tyler.
nap with him.
Oh, sleep.
Is that yours? Look like yours.
Look, there's two of them.
Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden, your Big Bird's right here.
Give him a hug.
I don't know how we're going to tell the difference.
Aww.
Put a J and a W on the tag. I mean, a J and a